everyone. Wanted to take a minute to go over the Cartell wireless driveway system. What this is a wireless exit sensor, so it's triggered by disturbing its magnetic field. Movement is important with it, and obviously location is key. This casts out a 12-foot radius, so you can put it within 12 foot of where you're going to drive, and it will open your gate once it is installed correctly. We have this one here, the CW-SYS. You can see the receiver. The unit itself comes with 2 batteries. This is a screwdriver, and then those are some, well, they call them auger screws, but they just hold them down in place on ground. Batteries are accessed by removing, let's see if I can do this, those 4 screws, and you install the batteries. It's extremely simple to install. This gets wired into your operator. Please refer to the manual as well as your automatic gate operator manual to determine the wiring configuration for your particular setup. But we have installed, last time I checked my account, I think like 90, getting close to 100 of these in the last couple of years. They work really well. The only time people have problems with them is if they seem to pull up and stop, and movement is important, is the moral of the story. So if you can position it in a place where you drive up just past it, it works perfect every time. Has to be within, I believe, 1,000 foot of your operator, so there's plenty of room. Battery life is phenomenal. We can't say enough good things about them. We have installed the wired system from the same company here, and the wired system works great as well, but your trenching, your running conduit, this is super simple. Wire the receiver right here, put the batteries in, place it, and it's done. We like it. I think you will too. Makes life way easier. It's worth every penny.